Good morning, students. Last class we studied about laundering by the wet method and dry cleaning. Today we will study the different laundry materials we use in laundering. Now children, the cleaning products play an essential role in our daily lives. They safely and effectively remove soils, germs and other contaminants from our clothes and thus help us to stay healthy. The main items that are required for laundering are water, soap or detergents, blues, optical fluorescent brightening agents, stiffening agents, bleaching agents, laundry reagents, fabric softeners, fabric stain removers. First we'll discuss about water. It is the most important and only item without which no washing is possible. Children, you know in wet method we use water. Okay? According to taste, water is classified into two types, soft water and saline water. Soft water is sweet in taste and saline water is saltish in taste. On the basis of dissolved impurities present in water, water has been classified into two categories, soft water and hard water. Soft water does not have dissolved impurities of calcium and magnesium in it. It has a good taste. It gives good and easy lather with soap. What is lather? Foam. Hard water contains dissolved impurities of calcium and magnesium. It does not form lather with soap. Now, hardness of water is of two types. One is temporary hardness, another one is permanent hardness. Temporary hardness is due to the presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium and can be easily removed by either boiling or using lime water. Permanent hardness is due to the presence of chlorides and sulphates of calcium and magnesium and cannot be removed by boiling. Now, what is the importance of water in laundering? Water is a very good solvent. Much dirt and stains are cleaned in water while washing. It dissolves and emulsifies soaps and detergents so that quick and easy cleaning can be done. There is a certain force of adhesion between clothes and water. Water enters deep into the fibres of the cloth and causes wetting. What is adhesion? The force of attraction between dissimilar molecules. Here clothes and water. Next, water has the power of movement which is called Pedesis. So Pedesis is the movement of water particles. The next material is soaps or detergents. First we'll discuss about soaps. You know children what is soap? Soap is the sodium salt of fatty acid. They are extensively used cleaning agents for laundering. They are the sodium salts of fatty acids. Now what is the composition of soap? It consists of essential and non-essential parts. The essential parts are fat and alkalis. So fats from any source, animal or plant source. Plant source, it might be coconut, linseed, castor oil, and alkalis like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide are used to manufacture soaps. The non-essential parts are the options which are added by the manufacturer like mineral oil, naphtha, resin, naphthelic acid, carbolic acid, sodium silicate, wax or starch. That is, these ingredients are added mostly to give a definite aroma to the particular soap. Now, cleaning action of soap. Soap acts in two ways. Soap emulsifies grease and loosens the dirt particles. Soap forms a colloidal solution in water. The cleaning action of soap involves lowering of surface tension of water. Then the water then easily collects and removes dirt from fabrics. Properties of a good laundry soap. Qualities of a good laundry soap are color. Color of the soap should be clear and pale. It should be hard to touch. When you store these soap, white crystal should not appear on the soap surface. When broken, the soap should appear granular. It should not taste sharp to the tongue. On the basis of ingredients, soaps are of various kinds. Mild soap, strong soap, and neutral soap. Mild soap contains alkali and fat in equal amounts. Strong soap contains more of alkali, whereas neutral soap contains no alkali at all. Soaps are available in different forms for laundry work. They may be available as bars, cake, flakes, powder, or liquid soap. Detergents. Detergents are cleaning agents made from chemicals. How are they different from soap? They are different in the following aspects. They are readily soluble even in cold water. They have lower surface tension. They are easy to rinse out. They are efficient even in hard water. Detergents do not combine with the salts of water. They are cheaper than soap. Detergents are of various kinds. For example, sodium alkyl sulphates, quaternary ammonium salts, partially esterified polyhydroxy compounds. Apart from soap and detergents, there are other cleaning agents like rita nut, which is also called soap nut, and shikakai. Rita nut is dried fruit of Sapindus mucuraceae. Shikakai is a soap pod from Acacia consena. And these two are used for cleaning silk, wool, gold, and silver. Next we come to blue. Blue is used as the last rinse in laundering fabrics to restore their whiteness. Blue, being a complementary color of yellow, diminishes the yellowish tinge of fabrics and makes them appear whiter. The laundry blues are available in powder form, liquid form, ball, or cube form. The blues are of two types, soluble blues and insoluble blues, that means insoluble in water. All laundry blues are obtained from chemical, vegetable, or mineral sources. They are Aniline Blue, Indigo Blue, Prussian Blue, Ultramarine Blue. Aniline Blue is water-soluble blue. It is made from coal tar dyes. Aniline Blue is the best blue. It is most suitable for laundry work because it acts both in acidic and basic medium. Indigo Blue is insoluble in water. It is obtained from the leaves of a plant. Prussian Blue is insoluble in water. It is an iron compound, Ferric Ferrocyanide. Ultramarine Blue is insoluble in water. It is a mineral substance. How are blues applied? And on what fabric is blue applied? Blues are applied on white cellulosic fabrics, that is cotton and linen. 5 tips for beating the laundry blues. What precautions are you going to take while bluing your clothes? First, colored fabric should not be blued. Fabric should not be dipped in blue water left standing for 5 minutes or more. Fabric should not be left standing in blue water, otherwise patches will appear. And if these patches of blue appear, what are you going to do? Then give the final rinse in vinegar water. Blued fabrics should be dried in sun for better results. Next is optical fluorescent brightening agents. They are colorless dyes which attach themselves to the fabric and make them appear whiter or brighter by reflecting light. Optical brighteners, they absorb light from the ultraviolet region and reflect back in the visible region. Next comes stiffening agents. The material that are used on fabrics to give them stiffness or crispness are called stiffening agents. Starch is the most frequently used stiffening agent in every home. It is used to provide stiffness to cotton and linen. What are the sources of starch? Starch is obtained from different plants: rice, wheat, maize, arrowroot, sabudana, tapioca. Now at homes, what do? We drain the rice water and use it for stiffening our clothes. Application of starch. The amount of starch to be applied on a fabric depends upon the following things: whether the fabric is thick or thin, how much stiffness is required or which the fabric can take, and amount of stiffness that is desired by us or you. The other stiffening agents are bran water, gum water, gelatin. Bran water gives a non-alkaline colloidal solution. Gum water is used for stiffening silks, georgettes, chiffons, etc. Gelatin is available in powder form as well as sheet form. What are the advantages of applying stiffening agents? It makes the fabric appear smoother. Smooth surface of fabrics does not allow dirt particles to stick to them easily. Smooth surface of fabrics also make them appear shining. It gives body and crispness to the fabric. Next we come to bleaching agents. Bleaching is defined as the purpose by which fabrics are made whiter or by which color is removed from colored fabrics. Various chemicals are used for this purpose. These are called bleaching agents. Bleaches can be classified into two types: oxidizing bleaches and reducing bleaches. What are oxidizing bleaches? Oxidizing bleaches, they release oxygen which combines with colored part of stain and converts it into colorless compounds. Whereas reducing bleaches, they remove oxygen from the colored part of stain and convert it into colorless compounds. So bleaches are of two types: oxidizing and reducing. Air and sunlight is the best oxidizing bleach, which is free of cost. Next comes Javel water, sodium perborate, potassium permanganate, hydrogen peroxide and ozone. The reducing bleaches are sodium hydrosulfite and sodium bisulfite. Next comes laundry reagents. These are some chemicals which are often used in laundry but are neither of the materials already described, such as soaps, glue, stiffening agent or bleaches. They are called additional laundry reagents. You can see here acetone is present. That's a laundry reagent. So additional laundry reagents, there are four types: alkaline, acidic, solvents and absorbents. Alkaline are washing soda, borax, ammonia. Acidic are oxalic acid, acetic acid. Solvents are petrol, acetone and carbon tetrachloride. Absorbents are common salt, talcum and French chalk. Here you can see, children, there is borax, washing soda, ammonia and oxalic acid. You can further see carbon tetrachloride and French chalk. Next comes fabric softeners or fabric conditioners. They are chemical compounds that are applied to clothes during the rinse cycle in a washing machine. They give shine and fragrance to clothes, makes clothes soft and smooth and provides fragrance to them. Example, comfort. Now fabric stain removers. They are different from other harmful chlorine-based bleaches as they contain oxygen which removes stains without damaging the color of the fabric. Example, vanish. So children, I think you all are clear about the laundry materials used in the laundering process. Thank you and have a nice day.